The distance between 2 points. If we have 2 points, A x1, y1 and B x2, y2, and I want to find the length of AB or the distance between the 2 points A and B, then AB equals the square root the difference between the x-axis to the power 2 plus the difference between the y-axis to the power 2. For example, if I want to find the distance between A and B and A 2 and negative 1, B 5 and 3, then AB equals square root 5 minus 2 and negative 1 minus 3 all to the power 2. It will be 5 length unit. Example number 1. If M is the center of the circle M and A 5 and negative 3, is the point lies on the circle, find the circumference of this circle. Firstly, M is the center of this circle where M equals 2 and negative 1, and A is a point lies on the circle. Then if we join M and A, we will get the radius of the circle. Then the first step, we must get the length of MA, which is the radius of the circle. Then the radius of this circle will be 5 minus 2 all to the power 2 plus negative 3 minus negative 1 all to the power 2. Then the length of this radius, it will be square root of 13 length unit. I want to find the circumference of this circle. We have the radius is square root of 13 and the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Then 2 times pi times square root of 13, it will be 2 root 13 pi length unit. Another example, show the type of the triangle ABC according its side lengths, where A negative 2 and 4, B 3 and negative 1, C 4 and 5. As we know the types of the triangle according sides, we have 3 types. The first type is equilateral triangle, where we have the all sides are equals. The second type is the isosceles triangle, if we have 2 sides are equals. And the last one is a scaling triangle, if the all sides are different. The first step, we must get the length of the first side, AB. It will be 5 square root 2 length unit. And the length of BC, it will be square root 37 length unit. And the length of AC, it will be square root 37 length unit. Here we have 2 sides are equals in length. Then this triangle is called an isosceles triangle. Another example, prove that the triangle ABC is a right-angled triangle at B, where A5 and negative 5, B negative 1 and 7, C 15 and 15. We have 3 types of the triangle according angles, the acute angle, the triangle, and the right angle, the triangle, and obtuse angle, the triangle. First step, we must get the lengths of the all sides of this triangle. AB will be 6 square root 5 length unit, and BC 8 square root 5 length unit, and AC 10 square root 5 length unit. To determine the type of this triangle according angles, the next step will make the all side to the power 2. Then AB power 2 will be 180, BC power 2 will be 320, and AC power 2 will be 500. If the sum of the 2 smalls, it will be the third side, then this triangle is a right-angled triangle. 180 plus 320, it will be 500. Then AB squared plus BC squared equals AC squared. From this rule, this triangle is a right-angled triangle at B. The next, prove that ABCD is a rhombus where A5 5 and 3, B6 and negative 2, C1 and negative 1, D 0 and 4. Then find its area. To prove that ABCD is a rhombus, the first step, we must find the lengths of the all sides. AB equals square root 26 and BC equals the square root of 26, CD equals the square root of 26 length unit, and AD is the square root of 26 length unit. And must find the length of the 2 diagonals. The first diagonal is AC. Then AC equals 4 square root 2 length unit, and BD 6 square root 2 length unit. Here we have the all sides are equals and the 2 diagonals not equal. then this shape is a rhombus. To find the area of this rhombus, then area of rhombus equals half times d1 times d2. Then half times 4 root 2 times 6 root 2 will be 25 square unit.